take you inside Morton's today, and I'm gonna give you a fantastic tour of all Morton's has to offer. Please like and subscribe to our channel or follow us for more videos like this. When you come into Morton's Gourmet Deli, there's fresh flowers. They also have bouquets, freshly made. So if you're looking for that gift item, you can just pop in and grab something for that birthday that you forgot and head on your way. They also have a huge wine cellar. So here they offer wines really from around the world, different variety of your reds and your whites and your rosés. You also can find a variety of champagne here. In the back, there is a cigar section where you can grab a cigar if that's what you're into. Again, more wines and wine bags in case you're heading out to a party and you need to grab that last minute gift for the host. And then back around this corner, I'm gonna show you all the variety of fresh produce. They have it all fresh and whole, or they have it cut up in different containers so you can grab it for lunch or for anywhere you're going. Whole bunch of veggies already cut up in case you don't have a whole bunch of time to make dinner that night or don't feel like it. Here's a great variety of cheeses from around the world. And this is really an international market that you can pretty much find anything you're looking for that's not in the normal grocery stores. Fresh pasta that's all made, different varieties. There's a gift section here in the back. Come on over to the area that offers all your olive oil and vinegars from around the world, different types of pickles and olives as well. You can make your own charcuterie board with everything that they have in this store, from onions to fresh cheeses and different types of meats as well. Again, here's some more cheeses, international selection for any palate. And come on over to this display of different types of salmon from different areas. And then some homemade baked goods they have out on display, fresh juices in the back. Here they have a salad bar so you can make your own salad and head out and go. Over to a great selection. This could be for lunch and dinner. These are pre-made meals, but you can get them in smaller quantities or larger quantities if you're entertaining. If you don't have time to cook and prepare anything, they have it all ready for you. Come over here and they have their own brick oven where they will make pizza, homemade, right in the brick oven. You can get it hot and ready. You can order it in advance. Come on over to some more grab and go selections. This is great for dinner. Usually the servings anywhere from 2 to 4 people. They have a variety of salads, great meals, homemade pastas, amazing sauces, a huge variety of soups that can serve anywhere from really 1 to 4 people, more like 2 to 4. Homemade dressings, just a huge variety to choose from. There's no shortage of options when you come into Morton's Gourmet Deli, that's for sure. They have spaghetti bolognese and stuffed shells. Some more wines on display. This is some other salads like your chicken salad and tuna salad and beets. And then come over here to a great, the butcher, which has a great selection of meats, all different cuts, no shortage of options. And then you have your seafood selection. You have your wild caught salmon and local fish, a couple different types of shrimp, lobsters, crab. And this is a great little area that I like to run into in the morning. You have a huge variety of coffees. So you can ground your beans right here in this selection, or you can grab and go with coffees they have already made. And this is also a bakery. So you can get your morning coffee, and then you can grab your baked goods. They have different pies, and then their fresh breads, tons of variety of pies. And then they have two huge displays of all their other pastries. So there's no shortage. If you're bringing breakfast to your office crowd, you can grab some baked goods on the go, and they have a couple tables outside that you can sit outside and enjoy that. So I just wanted to give you a quick tour around Morton's. This is a fantastic gourmet market, the best one in Sarasota. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Well, we're gonna end up making a YouTube channel, so we'll have it on there. Okay. So you'll eventually be able to find it, and maybe I'll just tag you when I do post it.
Okay, do.
All right, thanks.